Hi whole class, today we're going to continue doing a little bit more partitioning. So we've got my cherry diagram here and I've got my parts. So one of my parts is 10 and one of my parts is 7. So I need to work out what the whole is. So we looked at partitioning the other day with 10s and 1s. So today it's in a cherry diagram. So if I put my 10 and my 7 together, if I add them up, what would my whole be? It would be 17. There you go. Remember that 7 goes over the top of the 0. That 0 is that placeholder, isn't it? And the 7 sits on top of it and that 0 is hidden behind it. So we had 17 as our whole, 10 as our part and 7 as our part. Next one then. So what is my whole this time? So again, I've got a part of 10 and I've got a part of 2. What would my whole be this time? It would be 12. Well done if you got that right. Next one, my part is 10 and 5. What would my whole be this time? It would be 15. Right, now we're going to look at some pictures. So here I have a pack of 10 pens and it says I've got 10 as my part. Now this time I've got a part missing and we need to work out what is behind that rectangle because I've got my whole as 15 and my part as 10. What would my missing part be? Have a little think. How do we make 15? 15 is made up of 10 and what other number? It would be 5, wouldn't it? Because 15 is made up of 10 and 5. If we pulled 15 apart, it wouldn't be 1 and 5 because 1 and 5 makes 6. It would be 10 and 5. So we've got to remember those 10s and 1s. And when the packet tells us it's a 10 pen, it's got 10 pens in it, we need to remember that it's a pack of 10 and we need to remember that 10. That's where it gets a little bit trickier, isn't it? So it would be made up of 10 and 5, 15. Right, this time, ooh, a little bit of a challenge this time. So again, I know my whole is 15, and in my picture, and in my cherry diagram, I can see my parts are 2 and 10. What would my other part be? So this one's a little bit tricky, a bit of a challenge for you, because you've got to pull 15 apart, but it's not 10 and 5, because we've got a 2 there. So 5 is made up of 2 and what other number? Now again, we've done lots of that, but it's just a little bit trickier. So have a little think. Pause the video if you need to. So my whole is 15. I have a part of 2, a part of 10, and my other part would be 3, because we know 5 is made up of 2 and 3. Wonder if you got that challenge right. Well done if you did. Okay, what's missing this time then? So I've got my whole as 17, my part as 10, and my other part is missing. How do we make 17? What 10s and 1s make 17? 10 and 7. Excellent. Next one. My whole is 14, my part is 4, and what other number? How do I make 14? 4 and... It's 10, isn't it? Because 14 is made up of 4 1s and 1 10. Made up of a 10. Remember, it's not a 1 because it would be 1 and 4, which is 5, not 14. So always remember it's a 10, okay, and a 4. Right, now it's over to you. So here are some cherry diagrams. Some have got... in fact, all of them have got a part missing. Every single one has got the whole, and you're going to look at the part. So pause the video, write it down, and then the answers will come on when you're ready. And here are the answers. Hope you got on okay with that whole class. That today, Year 1 Hull, is your last video for being in Year 1. From next week you will get new videos, but they will be from your new teacher. Enjoy. Stay safe, Hull class.